Dad Riffs, and today we're going to learn to climb, the classical gas climb. All right, so it starts off with an A minor, except you take your pointer finger off, and you just hit these 4 notes in a row. And then you go ring finger on the left hand right here for this G note, and then you're going to hit the G string, and then you're going to hit the B string, and then you're going to put your pointer finger on the first fret of the B string. So it goes. And then you're going to go back to an A chord, except you're only using these 2 fingers. You don't need the D string, so you don't even really need to worry about it. The G string on the 2nd fret and the B string on the 1st fret, and you start with an open A. And then you hit those same strings again, but you're switching up the chord. So now you're going to throw this finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. It's going to be a B note. And then ring finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the B string. And you're going to hit the G string in between there, so it goes. And then you hit the root note and the G string again. All right, so this is what you got so far. And then you make a C chord, except when you do the C, you're only hitting the A string and the E string. Then you hit the G string in between, and then you're going to throw your pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string, so it goes. And then hit these 2 strings at the same time, which is the D string and the B string. So you're still holding that C shape, but you're really only hitting those 2 notes, so you don't need this ring finger on anymore. And it just goes. And then you're going to hit B string, and then open E, 1st fret on the B, and then open.